the Weekly School of Communication and Information presents to you the first Annual Spotlight Awards 2020.
The top FYP award in campaign are Isabel Torres, Ng Jing Swan Joshua, Wong Yi Ting Jade, and Yose Ji for their project Ready, Steady, Go.
Despite perceptions that older adults are not technologically savvy, Ready, Steady, Go used mobile technology to encourage seniors over 60 years old to exercise to prevent falls. Their home exercise WhatsApp program garnered over 1,000 elderly subscribers, and the campaign empowered more than 500 older adults to sign up for the community exercise programs. To top it off, Ready Steady Go's media value hit $1.4 million and significantly improved the knowledge, attitude, self-efficacy and performance of the older adults towards strength, balance and flexibility exercises. The project is a recipient of the Central Singapore Community Development Council's Do Good Fund and Youth Corp Singapore Pay It Forward Award grant. The campaign is continued by Singapore Physiotherapy Association, one of the key partner organizations.
Hi everyone, in the past year we have seen many great works by our peers from the Weekly School, including campaigns covering a range of health, environmental and important societal topics. We are truly honoured and humbled to receive the top final year project award for campaigns.
This achievement is made possible thanks to our supervisor, Dr. Arul Chip, who imparted really valuable lessons on critical thinking. Not forgetting the care and support of the school's faculty and staff who have helped push us to our full potential.
A big thank you to our partners, Singapore Physiotherapy Association, Cornerstone Senior Centre, Care Corner, AMK FSC Centres, our community partners as well as our campaign ambassadors for their continuous support. We are grateful to be given a chance to work with industry experts and enthusiastic participants who have broadened our perspectives and helped make our project come to life.
Lastly, we would also like to take this opportunity to thank our family, friends who have been our greatest pillars of support. To our juniors embarking on their own FYP projects, we encourage you to be experimental and build up skill sets that you can bring along to the workplace. This FYP project has been extremely rewarding for us and we hope that it will be the same for you as well. We look forward to seeing more great works from our juniors in the coming years. Thank you!